Welcome back to probably the last review of owner review of 2015 Toyota Prius 7 or Alpha. This car has been tested or driven for the past 5 years and 2 months or 3, and I would like to give you a private review with advice about the stability and reliability of the car, because is the car something you should rely upon or go for? Is it worth the price? Is it worth having it and all that? Now, you probably heard many things about this car already. This one has 190,000 kilometers on the odometer right now, and I think yes, just sorry about the motor start. There, it's now on the battery. I've had actually no issues with the technical quality of the car, but in North Europe or in cold countries you use AC and heating and radio and all that all together, and in city driving and so on, the car must be charged. What is said to be positive in terms of the drift or the solidity of the car is that it doesn't have all those belts and dynamos or clutches and extra equipment which I described to you earlier. Here you have the 12-volt battery, and I mean, with 190,000 kilometers, it could be on time to just change the starter battery. It doesn't need to cost you 300-400 euros or 3,000-4,000 kroner as you go to take that on a original dealer, but it can be actually it could actually be wise to just have a mechanic or anyone familiar with Toyota Prius look at how they can solve it. So I found out that it would cost 100 euro or 1,200 to replace a battery. Then we can try to get into the car. I mentioned that the material quality could be a bit better because these cars are actually used as taxis and so on. So for that matter, you need good material quality as well. As we can see, 190,000 just passed, and what I'm sitting with an impression after 190,000 is that given that the car is actually fault free, and you can see that there are literally no indicators or signs on the dash and all that, and that you can actually save a couple of hundreds or a couple of thousands on having regular maintenance, but if it's too expensive, then find someone who knows about the Toyotas and can do it for the half. This is a car driven in Norway, and just sorry about the camera angle and all that. Don't have the camera with me today. So the verdict after 190,000, and it's a 2015 model, is that the car holds its promise, and I can advise that with some proper maintenance you will not have any big issues at all with the Toyota Prius before 200,000 kilometers. So I can recommend you Toyota Prius. They are not expensive as well. I mean, I think you can get a used one for 15,000 pounds or euros, and it's worth it. It is absolutely worth it. And then people ask me, okay, should I take a newer, let's say a RAV4 or the new Corolla, which was previously Auris in Europe? And of course you can take that as well, but the thing is that I mean, you can go for what is that, 230,000 or 28 thousand Auris that will last many years, 10-15 years without issues. And for R4 I would say that they have increased a bit much in the recent 2-3 years. So I think that they now cost I think it's 450,000-60,000 for the hybrid starting price there, and for plug-in hybrid it's 550,000 krona or 55,000 pounds or euros with our Nordic prices. So obviously a bit more price in Scandinavia. And another advice is that if you have a family, it is actually a 7-seater, and you can have very much fun with this car for luggage and family use. It's easy to drive. Obviously not the fastest machinery, but you have this power modus and so on, as Toyota has. So if you are in doubt of going for a Toyota or Lexus, there should be no worries, actually. No, not any big issues. And I've had many European or actually German cars previously, Audi, Volkswagen, Opel and so on, and it's just always working. So I would absolutely either go for a Lexus or another Toyota later, but I was thinking a year or two ago when they install new toll stations all over the Norway, that I need an EV, electric car. But then electric cars have been small, and you probably have to invest 40k in a new car, and that's something you can spend on buying a home or do business with, and so on. And I'm happy that I still have this car. So thanks a lot for watching, and do leave a comment if you want me to take another owner review. Please let me know. Take care. Bye.